Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can claim the PF guys. For that you have to log into Unified Portal member. As soon as you log in, you can see this home view manage account online services. Click on online services, you will get like this. Click on claim here. So as soon as you click on claim, you'll get online claim form 31 19 10 C and 10D. You'll get all the details here, employee name, date of birth, KYC details, etc. You have to go to the bank account as seeded against UN. Enter the bank account here and click on verify. So as soon as you click on verify, you'll get this pop-up. I have verified display bank account details of mine. I understand the claimed amount will be credited to this bank by EPFO. Click on agree if you agree to those terms. Well, as soon as you clicked on agree, you can click on proceed for online claim. So once you have done that, it will ask you please choose the claim form PF withdrawal, PF advance of pension withdrawal. Okay. You'll see a mobile number, UAN, name, permanent account number, PAN, date of joining, and I want to apply for. You have to select an option here. So now I have PF advance here, form 31. Click on PF advance. You have to select a number of things. Select service, what is the purpose of advance is required, what is the amount you want, what is the employee address. All these details you have to enter. Let us enter one by one. So purpose of the advance is required. So you have options like non-received wages greater than 2 months. If you don't have job more than 2 months, you can do natural calamities, illness, power cut, marriage, higher education, etc. So you select according to whichever you want. Select the amount which you want to enter. So once you have entered that, click on get mobile OTP. So once the OTP is generated, enter the OTP here and click on validate OTP and submit claim form. So once that is done, it will give mobile OTP has been verified. PF advance claim has been submitted successfully on Unified Portal. Click here to view PDF. Click here, you can view the PDF. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.